Hi, kings and
Hi, kings and
queens.
queens. Happy Monday. Happy pre-4th of July.
Yes, happy 4th of July when it comes tomorrow. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm sorry we're not able to make it on tonight, but I was away for the weekend in Jamaica, and that eat down there did a number on me. I'm tired. It was a
You need a
short trip.
vacation from your
Yeah,
vacation.
it was a short little trip. Going to Jamaica is not really a vacation to me. It's going home.
Yeah.
My husband surprised me with this trip, and
It
it
was
was
a
nice.
surprise because you didn't know about it. You knew about it last minute.
Yeah,
That's why.
that's why I love his big head because he always come up with these amazing little things,
He does. He does. He
But
does.
anyways, that's if you're looking at this is us pulling up at Moon Palace. But that is not what we're out here to talk about tonight. Tonight we just wanted to do this video to say thank you to all of our queens who have supported us with our bonnets.
Thank you so much. We are grateful.
We're grateful and sorry to all who have tried to get one and they weren't available. When we came up with this idea, we actually pitched it to Vanilla's daughter, who's in college, and some of our college friends.
And she runs track and she's in a lot of clubs, so she pitched it to people on the sports teams and track in the different various different
Well,
clubs. So
she showed it to
yeah,
them.
she
Yeah,
did.
not
She did.
pitched it.
She didn't pitch it. She did.
Yes. So, and I think what kind of everybody was excited about was the message behind the logo, because the logo represent
Diversity.
diversity. You
Yeah.
know, us celebrating diversity. So we had a list prior to us receiving the bonnets. So when we came to the platform with them, they went super fast.
Yes.
But we have some more in production, and hopefully, all the queens that weren't able to get one this time will get one the next time. Yeah, we are so appreciative, and this just goes to solidify what I've always said, that there are there are amazing women out there.
Absolutely.
Not every woman
Absolutely.
is filled with hate and
Nope.
jealousy and doesn't want to see other women progress. There are women out there who's not afraid to straighten another queen's
Very
crown.
true.
What I've realized is that hate is loud, but
Yes.
love is subtle, and it's kind, and it
And
shines.
shines like a
Yeah,
diamond.
and there are a lot of actions behind love.
Yes.
So we are grateful, and we just want to say thank you, Queen.
Thank you
Here's
so
your
much.
crown. Wear it proudly.